Once you've sent an unsigned contract, if someone starts work, that can be considered acceptance. So signature is really the evidence we have for an acceptance. And that's one of the things we need in English law to create a firm contract, a legally binding contract between the parties. There's all sorts of other ways to accept. So by carrying out works, issuing instructions, sending an email with a thumbs up, doing a WhatsApp message, going, got your contract, love it, I'll get around to signing it eventually. All that kind of stuff can count as acceptance, but it's neat and tidier and doesn't result in issues. Now, there's a case which you don't need to know the details, but it was a project which started, there was lots of different scopes of work going around because there was value engineering, all this kind of stuff. And then it all fell apart and it went to court. And what happened was the court said, unhappily, there was virtually no reliable evidence or documentation which explained what was agreed and between whom. And that's the purpose of a signed contract, is to record what was agreed and between who, which parties. And there are lots of occasions where emails are sent talking about one element in a group of companies and not being really clear which one it is. I've seen documents signed by authorised signatories for a company which wasn't the one listed on the document. And then you've got real trouble, because trying to vary that means that you've got to find the people who signed and get their permission to change it. And they're not the people that we thought we were in contract with. So there's all sorts of errors that we come across in the sector. People not signing it to create a deed because they don't know what the requirements are. I was sent a deed to sign in lockdown, and frankly, I need an independent adult witness. I'm in a bubble. The only people in my bubble are family. Are they independent? I think this is not, because it's a family issue. So me and my neighbour were over the fence. He was watching me sign. I was passing bits of paper. We were kind of holding them with kitchen tongs. So, signing should not be this difficult. And during lockdown, it became really clear that we need better, quicker methods of signing so that we have this accuracy. Because once you've got a contract that's either unsigned or signed by the wrong people, unpicking it is really difficult and it gets legally tricky. You're going to need lawyers, I'm afraid.